Thanks for coming. Football Education Masterclass. It's for coaches, for players, for parents, teachers, general supportive people, anyone who's interested in grassroots football.
Right, let's have some fun, eh? Show me what you've got in skills and playing football, all right? Off you go, play. Oh, well done, Leah. Where we tried to get two blues, which square? Well, I admire you as grassroots coaches, I do, because you turn up all weathers, you've got a group of players that will turn up sometimes, won't turn up other times, you don't know your numbers, so you can plan quite a lot of things in your head, on paper, you can do all that and then you turn up. You think you've got 20 kids and you've got 10, or you've got 9, or you've got 30. These are the challenges you face.
I'm too short for tomorrow night if anyone fancies the game.
You're welcome.